Let's create the handout that will exist within this path to the Google Assignments LTI 1.3 handout. So we're going to need that content from Gemini that we created earlier. Looks like it's this one. Select that content, let's copy it, and we're going to paste it into a new doc. Might need to reformat this just a little bit here. It looks like this could be a nice title here for our doc. Let's add that in there. You know, your content's going to be completely different. So you'll have to make your own choices as to what this might look like. All right. You like Arial, that's fine. Very good. Looking for anywhere where we can add some bullet points potentially. Make this our own. Of course, we can also add some images. Looks like we've got nice little reading section. And these must be the questions that the students will answer. Let's create a nice bulleted list here, numbered list. Add a little bit of space after each one. One of the conventions I use with a digital handout that will never be printed, only exist online, is I'll add a hashtag anywhere where I want students to print or to add their own work. I'll add a little pound sign or hashtag. I'll use the highlight color. I like to use yellow to make it stand out. That's to let students know exactly where they are to type in their own answers. It's also a lot easier once I start to receive these back in the form of the, students turning in their work. The speed grader, I can very quickly figure out exactly where the students typed in their own work. But this handout looks good to go. Let's go ahead and assign it using the external tool, the Google Assignments LTI 1.3 tool here available to us in Canvas. So let's open up this assignment. We'll click Edit. I like to keep my instructions nice and simple. We'll just say complete the assignment. Now, these different path assignments, actually, you can give point values to them, but you should not have them pass back from Canvas to Infinite Campus. Since Mastery Pathway, different students will be working on different paths, different assignments. We don't want those assignments to head over to Infinite Campus. So I'm not going to check this one for these different path assignments, if that makes sense. But the submission type here is, for our worksheet, we're going to use this external tool. We'll click Find, and then we want to find the Google Assignments LTI 1.3 tool. I'll need to link my drive. So we'll pull up a new window here where I'll click Link. And now I can add in that file. So let's click Attach. There's the handout that we just completed. Click Add. And this system will create a new copy for each student. So as the students enter into and open this assignment, they'll have a new one of these available to them. The system will automatically create one. Let's click Create. And we're good to go. We'll click Save, and Path 2 is finished.